Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. Today we have something truly out of this world to review. It's the Alienware Aurora R13, a brand renowned for its high performance gaming rigs. So buckle up and get ready for an extraterrestrial gaming experience. Here it is, the iconic Alienware packaging. It's sleek, sturdy, and exudes a sense of excitement. You can see the Alienware logo prominently displayed on the front, along with the alien head. It's a clear indication that you're about to unleash a gaming powerhouse. Now, let's open up the box and see what's inside. As we lift the lid, we are greeted with a layer of protective foam, ensuring that a precious gaming desktop arrives safe and sound. First thing we find is a small box consisting of power cord, some paperwork, wired keyboard and mouse. And here it is, the main event, the Alienware gaming desktop. It's carefully wrapped and secured with additional foam padding to prevent any damage during transit. Let's take it out and have a closer look. Wow, just look at this beauty. The Alienware gaming desktop is a true marvel of engineering. It's built like a tank with premium materials, and the design is both futuristic and elegant. The front panel is adorned with customizable LED lighting. I liked it very much. And the iconic Alienware logo illuminates to create an immersive gaming experience. The front panel also comes with few ports, that is, one microphone jack, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, one USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port. Moving to the back, we can see an array of ports for all your connectivity needs. It has coaxial, audio jacks, subwoofer, line in and line out, USB ports, Ethernet, HDMI, 3 display ports and a power port. It's all there. Alienware has truly thought of everything. Now, let's take a quick look inside and explore the powerful hardware that makes this gaming desktop tick. The side panel is easily removable. Sorry friends, I couldn't take the video of this internal parts of this desktop. Okay, but let me tell you what I saw. The side panel is easily removable actually, which gives us a quick access to the internals. Inside we find a meticulously organized interior with top of the line components. The first thing that catches my eye is the impressive graphics card. The gaming PC Alienware Aurora R13 comes with a number of noteworthy features. It has Intel i9 processor of the 12th gen, which delivers strong performance for gaming and other demanding applications. Additionally, it includes, as I said, the NVIDIA GeForce 3090 graphics card, which offers smooth gameplay and high quality graphics. Not only that, additionally it has some more features like Alienware Aurora R13 comes with pre-installed Windows 11 Home, which offers an optimized gaming experience and enhanced security features. It also includes 16 GB DDR5 RAM for smooth multitasking and responsive computing. What else you say with this kind of hardware? You can rest assured that you will be able to play the latest games at their highest settings without breaking a sweat. Alright, now that we have taken a close look at the Alienware gaming desktop, let's wrap up this unboxing session. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the Alienware gaming desktop offers an unparalleled gaming experience that will take your gameplay to new heights. That concludes our unboxing session. Stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content and reviews. And as always, happy gaming.